So I got this Polaris TrailBlazer 250 on a trade for that Chinese 250.
I didn't know it would do that.
So that really crappy, junky 250 dirt bike I had, it was Chinese off-brand or something like that. I ended up trading for this four-wheeler somehow. So good compression. It's got a really expensive FMF fatty pipe on there. I did throw these Pro Taper grips on there because I had them sitting around. Also another full set of tires that he threw in too. Found a random key and I put the key into the key slot and I fiddled around with it and it finally turned on. So I'm gonna check for spark and see if I can get this thing started. So I think I've encountered an issue. You can see it does have spark. None of the kill switches work. So this is the carburetor. I don't know if, yeah, that might matter. It looks to be a little bigger, so 32 to 34. All the things I did off camera was I got that carburetor properly set up for this setup. 120 jet, I'm pretty sure that's what it is, so it translates to 0.12 millimeters or something like that is the carburetor hole size. Kill switch deal where the spark would not shut off. That was the deal with literally just this ground plug from the CDI not plugged into, I'm assuming one of these wires goes to the handlebar switch, one of these wires goes to the key switch. So this plug was not plugged in. That's all that grounding was. That's all the grounding issue was for the kill switch. Pull start handle, transmission mounting chain, sprocket, bleed brakes, plastics wet sanded, repainted. Headlight and taillight rewired in, a battery, should be it. What else? Whatever else I'm forgetting.
So I've got a lot done off camera. Got a busy week coming, so oh boy. She goes. It is idle. Running good, everything looks good, not leaking gas. This thing sounds good. Usually he's the one on a quad and I'm the one on a bike. I think I ran out of gas. You know what? I didn't put enough gas in it.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't put enough gas in it. Shut up. So I ran out of gas. I did not put enough to start. Oh, it's so nice out here.
Brake guy pulled over a damn mower.
Why is that? What did you do?
He didn't use his turn signal.
They pulled him over for not using his turn signal.
Grayson said the cops are like pissed off.
Yeah. It sounds like with all the stuff that goes on there, they want to pull you over, not because like little things like turn signals and all that, but because they want to figure out something else, or if you've been drinking, you know, discover something else. Oh, it does have reservoir. You're right, it does have reserve. Do you want to drive my truck back? Sure. All right, keys are in it and everything. And if you want to, set this in the garage.
Okay.
So. She scoots.
So unfortunately, I had a really busy couple weeks, so I wasn't really able to record the work I did on the four-wheeler. It's more just getting it done. So here is the finished four-wheeler. So I wired in some headlights, so that's connected to the main one. Those have their own switch, so that one has to be on to run those, so I can run only one or all of them. And then oil injection, I drain the oil injection out, and I'm running premix 31:1, 32:1, somewhere around there. The CV2 cooling system, I took a pit bike air filter, a couple of PVC pipes, and made an adapter so air can exit through there and not have any mud or snow or anything get in there. The plastics, I did some plastic welding on. You can see right here, it isn't perfect. All along here, the zip ties and all that are from the last owner. These used to be white, and I wet sanded and repainted them red, and my lens is getting fogged over. There we go. And by far, one of my favorite parts is the rims. I had sandblasted and repainted these a bronze gold color. I don't really know what color you'd call that. In my opinion, it really suits the yellow and red of this quad. So it gives it more of an older style, almost like what the Honda XRs did. So these Pro Taper grips are from my friend. He's the one with the E-Ride Pro SS. I made this KTM crash pad out of a pool noodle and I think Flex Tape or something like that, and I put a KTM sticker on there. Looks pretty sweet in my opinion. And yeah, the seat is reupholstered. So I ordered it was like a $20 reupholstering kit off Amazon. I used air stapler, and it was honestly pretty easily compared to what I thought. This four-wheeler would be up for sale on Marketplace if you're local to my location, and that really sums it up. That's all for this video. The next video, I'll take this and jump it and rip up and down some cornfields, and we're saving all the riding footage and all that for the next video. So I will see you guys in the next one.
Closer, close.
You push on first gear. Now you can start it. Let off.